Hi and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be reviewing the RSL Root Ripper. My anticipation was I was going to be receiving a big raptor claw, something Jurassic, something that's been torn off a dinosaur. But actually what we've got is an aggressive duck. So what we have here is a replaceable beak, this yellow part. We've got an extremely aggressive mohawk going on here. As you can see, it's pretty good gauge still. It's very sharp, extremely aggressive. 3 bolts going through here, which makes it nutted on the back, and it's replaceable, which is obviously great. It's got some really nice welds, really substantially welded across here, across the bottom. Then on the back, we've got a quick hitch connector here, as you can see again, nicely welded, super strong construction, nicely put together, and still very maneuverable. It's not overly heavy, but it is still substantial. So I have every confidence it's going to be, it will stand up to a really good pounding. But I think it pretty much looks like an aggressive duck, does it not? Tell me about it in the comments. Let's hook her up and see what she can do. So here we go then, absolutely ripping into the first root. As you can see, total ease. This is only a small cherry as it happens, but it absolutely tore it out like no trouble at all. The mohawk on the back is also excellent for cutting through things. Here you can see we're cutting through the cherry, albeit it's quite soft wood. It's only a small machine, don't forget everyone. However, it will cut through the roots with super ease. It will cut through soil, stone, and anything else that you've got in there. You can also buy the ripper without the mohawk on it. However, I think the mohawk's extremely useful. Here you can see I'm ripping through some very fibrous yew tree roots that have been there for a very long time, and there's a lot of them. I find the mohawk just tears through the ground and the roots both at the same time, doing a beautiful job. And as you can see, it's equally at home pulling the stumps over once the roots have been ripped. You just put the beak onto a lever point and pull away with absolute control. Now keep in mind that this is only a small ripper, of course, because it's only a small machine. However, it may be small, but it's extremely mighty. Benefit is having it so small, it's so maneuverable. Despite the power of the Kubota, you can see here the size of these stumps is quite substantial, and therefore there's a lot of soil on the bottom of them, all mixed into the roots. So the aggressive duck actually gets in there really well and pecks out all of that soil, so you can clean it up and make it that much lighter, so therefore you can move it much easier with the machine. So to keep it quite simple, this RSL Engineering Root Ripper, the aggressive duck as I like to refer to it, is absolutely superb and I highly recommend it.